everyone, welcome to my channel. Today Matt Builds. Today I'm going to be doing pack 11 stage 86 of Peter's Apache helicopter by Agora Models. There's quite a bit to do. There's a lot of small fiddly bits, putting pins in and other parts. It's for something like for the rotor. So with that said, let's make a start. Oh, and happy Friday. Okay guys, I've just done an inventory. Everything is here for this stage. And this is going to be fun. So, the first thing you need is this piece here. Now we've got R and F, and we have to see which one's which. And there's nothing on them. It says because they look identical. Make sure there's no differences. I've got the notches inside. Apart from the difference is this one here that's got a longer notch than this one, so this one is wider. So this will be going on this side. Now it doesn't say which way it goes up. The instructions are not very clear. So I think it goes this way round. Just having a look at the instructions. I think it goes like that. Well, that's right. Yeah. And the holes either side, yeah, so it goes on like that. And this goes on here like so. So it goes on there like that, and then we'll need these pins from the look of it. Or is it EP screws? No, it's EP screws. I thought there would have been pins. So we'll get the EP screws. And we need 4 of these. And you only get 1 spare, so be very careful. Get me little baby wearer. Do. So that goes in there like that. Let's see how long this takes me to do. Set that off a minute. Now I need to get that into place. So them two are in place now. And we'll do the other side. That's that one in. and that's that done there as well. So since you've got a spare screw, I'll put it back in there. Right, so that's that part done. Right, now we need these two pieces here, this one and this one, 86G and 86K. And again, I'll just have to see what the difference is between these two. Put them on the desk a minute so I can see. Yeah, there's the no. Right, so from the look of it, on that side is no difference. No difference there. This is absolutely no difference between the two. So this will be going on here like that, in there. Oh, that's right. We'll be going in that side. Doesn't really make much odds, to be honest. But we need one of these longer pins. Check. 86K. Which are these long ones here? Get two of them. Bum 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 bum. Make sure I'm putting it in the right, putting it through the right hole. No, I'm not. It's going in the other side, going through the other side. These damn glasses, I can't see with them on. Everything's a blur. Okay, just bring it back a touch. That goes in there. Still bring it out a bit more. So look at this. Right, so that one there is on now. So we need to get the other on. So that's facing that way. So again, we'll get the small pin. Make sure the pin's going in the right way, don't go in the wrong way. Yeah, it's going in from this side. So that's the pin in there. get this chunky piece in. It's a bit fiddly this stage. Does not want to go in. Right, so while that's gone in that way, just need to get it in this way now, like that. Give it that extra leverage. So that is that part done there now. Okay, so just put that to one side. Need this piece here and one of these parts here. So doesn't really much. I don't think it matters which way it goes because it's symmetrical. Yeah. Well, then again, though, there's something different on here. Oh, that'll go in there. Like that. Let's see. Well, we need 86J, which is what these, the smaller pins. So I'll just cut one off. Plastic pins. To be honest, I think they'd have been better if they'd have been if they'd have been metal. Let's try this side. I think that's a better fit, that end. Hope I've got this the right way up. From the look of it, yeah, I have. Excellent. Right, that's gone in. So I need to get it, push it through to the other side. Push that down there. Right, so that's the first one on. And we need to do these do this all the way around. So I'll bring all the others over, get 3 more pins off. And I'm glad I managed to get my computer sorted out. I did it myself. I was just guessing on what I was doing. Just needed a recovery key. "48-digit number." Right. Let's see if we can get it in with this. So that's them in. And now we need these 2. So it goes on this side, on the inside here. So I'll just get the pin in and then attach it. Going to be awkward. It'll be very awkward. I don't want to use tweezers on these pins because they'll go flying off. Actually, I'll do this side first. Right, what I'll do, I'll just pause the camera while I get this on. It's going to be a bit awkward. Bear with me a minute, guys. Okay, guys, they're on. These 2 were a bugger to get on. They were a pain. But they're on. That's the main thing. So, let's see what else we need to do. So we need to, we still need this. No, we don't. We need this part again that we did earlier, and we need this tubing, which will be going down in here in the centre. And they all are a tight fit, a very, very tight fit. Like that. Then the next part we need is this piece here, and it's got to go over the pins either side of this tubing, because you've got the holes either side here. So I'm going to have to get this spot on. So where are those holes? Need to find the hole. somewhere along here and press down. Oh, it's in the right place. I don't know why they didn't ask us to put this on first, to be honest. Right, so that's on. Press it down a bit more. Like that. So that is in place now. Now this is where we're going to get fiddly pieces, these four here. So this needs I thought it was. Right. I've put these on the wrong way round, so just bear with me a minute guys while I get this sorted out. Right guys, sorry about that. I've sorted it out. So now I can carry on. So what we need to do now is put it that way and join this onto here. And this is a fiddly part. We've got two holes, well, hole either side, well, one, that hole there with a pin there and a hole there, which this will be going into. Make sure it's the right way round. Make sure that's gone in there. And then do the same again on this side. Let's hope that doesn't come off. Which I don't think it will. It looks secure enough. And then we'll get, there again it's come out, typical. Try this one again. Not easy, bit fiddly, because I've got to keep hold of this one so it don't come away like that. And just give this a squeeze. And that is how it looks. So that's secure, brilliant. Now it's telling us to put pins into where? So this needs to stand up. Okay. you know, this is confusing. Just trying to oh, it's all come away now. I knew it'd come off. It's not very secure, this. And if this is the part of the rotor, we've got a problem. What the hell is going on here? And the whole lot's come off. It may have to be glued on if it carries on, but it says do not use glue. It's just that one pin, you've got a hole there, and it will not go in that hole because it doesn't go far enough. Try that again. Got that in there. Right. But I've done this wrong again from the look of it. And I'm looking at the instructions now, and this is supposed to be up. Now bear with me a minute, guys, something's not adding up. Right, I think I've got it right now. Finally. Took some doing. So we need these pins. Well, I've only got one pin. Don't believe it. Right, guys, I'm gonna have to stop. I can't carry on with this. The reason being, I've used all the pins that came on the two sprues, and there's not enough pins because this part has got to be attached onto the rotor, the main rotor itself, and it has to be secured with pins, and I've not got any more left. So they've not sent enough, to be honest with you. So I'm going to have to get in touch with Peter to see if he can get in touch with the Agora to see if he can send the pins, and I'll have to make a note of which ones I need, even though they should have it on file. See, all I've got left of those wire things I'll just put in the bag with them, and I just don't believe it. not enough parts. Again, I should have counted them, to be honest with you, but I've used them all on this, because this has got to go on as well somehow, somewhere. Probably go on there, I don't know, I'll have to wait and see. But so really there's nothing more I can do now until I get them pins. So the Apache is going to be on hold again, and there's nothing I can do. So that's it for today. Well guys, sorry about that. That has come as a surprise to me as to you all. I just don't get it. I did the inventory, everything was there, the parts that I needed, but I didn't realise how many pins I'd have been using, which I should have counted them like I said. So I'm going to make a note of the pin, which ones I need, and get Peter to send off for them and then have them posted to my address. Shame that, really. I was looking forward to getting back on this, and now I'm at a complete stop. So there's not a lot I can do. So anyway, that's it for today. Tomorrow I think I'll do the tank transporter while this is on hold, unless if my Titanic parts come, then I can make a start on that. But I've had no confirmation from Royal Mail yet that it's going to come so this week, so it could be next week, which I've got a funny feeling it will be. Well anyway guys, if you like this video, please give it a massive thumbs up even though it wasn't finished, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe for any future videos which will be coming again tomorrow. So I don't know what's happening tonight, if Ron's modelling group will be going live tonight because of him having health issues. So until tomorrow, you all stay safe, take care, I'll see you then. Bye for now.